Jessica, and I just got off the Blizzard Sheeva 9. This ski is going to be better for that advanced intermediate expert level rider. The ski performed better when I got it up to speed, but because I'm a mellow intermediate, when I was going slower, it got a little loose underfoot. I couldn't really get in and out of the turns too easily at the speed that I prefer, but once I did push it to that next level, I was able to get it up on edge and make better turns. But again, if you are a advanced or expert level skier, this could be the ski for you.